Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Python books that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have A Smarter Way to Learn Python. This book is best for those who are willing to understand and design the high-level concepts using tools and techniques of Python programming. It guides you to learn, build robots, gadgets and many software applications using Python programming language with human-computer interaction. This Smart Way to Learn Python book comes with 236 pages of information that helps you to learn the basics such how to code and run Python objective and numeric types, strings, indexing and slicing, keyword arguments, functions, metaclasses, Unicode processing, etc. This book is best to use for beginners, engineers and professionals for designing creative projects in the physical world. Moreover, it is accessible to everyone and you just need some technical interest to get involved. Moving on at number 4, we have Python Tricks, a buffet of awesome Python features. Being a fresher, learning the ins and outs of Python is difficult. But, with this Python Tricks book you'll be able to focus on technical coding skills that do really matter. Compared to other Python programming books, it comes at reasonable rates and is a great platform for software geeks and hobbyists who are very excited to start crafting wonderful projects at an ease. This book comes with simple examples and a step-by-step procedure make easy for everyone from setting up, downloading, editing, programming and compiling. It teaches advanced features like interfacing hardware to software, programming and debugging. It is much suited for engineers and experienced coders who deal with the high-end projects. If you master in Python language, you can easily write the code in a logical way that comes to your mind naturally. This paperback comes in 302 pages and is available in simple English language for the convenience of readers. At number 3, we have Python for Kids, a playful introduction to programming. If you want to make your children create their own projects with innovative ideas, then the Python books offers plenty of opportunities learning from basics to unbelievable real-time projects. Python for Kid book provides step-by-step procedure that helps them to build and develop core programming skills. It is absolutely useful for kids who show interest in troubleshooting and operating systems and creating fun, exciting projects. This powerful programming language makes easy to learn because the vocabulary is quite simple and follows do-learn approach in programming. It offers unbelievable projects to keep engaged and teaches the kids how to write a code, compile and execute without any errors. For easy understanding purpose, the author has given certain programming examples like monsters, secret agents, thieving ravens, and much more. And to grab the attention of kids, the code is colored, dissected, programming puzzles and the full color illustrations keep things on the lighter side. At number 2, we have Python Cookbook, 3rd edition. Are you the one who desires to make creative and fun projects? Then Python Cookbook 3rd edition is a must-have handbook to master the Python coding stuff. This book is best known to the world for making robots and other electronic gadgets. This book is all about the parts of Python language and libraries that will help you to solve a set of complex programming issues. If you need to write programs in Python 3, or want to update for new version, then this book is well suited for you. It is packed with practical programs written and tested in Python 3.3 which mainly focus on modern tools and idioms. And finally at number 1. Python Programming, An Introduction to Computer Science, 3rd edition. 3rd edition Python Programming is an updated version that encourages the freshers to learn new technologies in a time-test approach. It gives a detailed explanation of Introduction to Computer Science. This updated version has brought many changes compared to the Python Programming 2nd edition by introducing the discussions regarding its threats or dangers. With the increase in the computer and internet usage, cybersecurity has become a major issue. The editor of this book has explained such complex algorithms by illustrating new graphic examples. This book contains 552 pages that give clear-cut information of Python programming in well-written English language and the respective data structures, syntax, code implementation, etc. Wrapping up, this textbook is a wonderful source for introducing the fine art of programming using Python merely for beginners and programming enthusiasts. And the difficult level is medium, which a high school grade students can also understand the concepts easily. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.